Welcome to another exciting session where we delve into key issues in the industrial tech world. Today, we will tackle a burning question. Will the Industrial Internet of Things, referred to as IIoT, ever replace SCADA, the acronym for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition? I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I'll guide you through this fascinating discussion. You'll gain insights into the roles and future of these two systems in the industrial landscape. Let's dive in. Let's dive into a hot topic in the industrial tech world. Will the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, ever replace SCADA, which stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition? Well, to be honest, I don't see that happening anytime soon, if at all. Replacing SCADA with IIoT would mean uprooting a well-established system to install a new one, and considering the cost plants already face implementing SCADA, it's unlikely to happen quickly. However, there's one potential exception. Small businesses that currently don't use a SCADA system due to high implementation costs might find an IIoT solution more feasible, especially if it's cloud-based and can bypass the need for a SCADA system. But even then, it's a big might. More realistically, what we're likely to see is SCADA evolving to incorporate IIoT. We're already seeing signs of this. For instance, Mitsubishi is developing a cloud-hosted SCADA system for their vehicles. Other companies are also working on upgrading their existing SCADA solutions to be compatible with modern IIoT technologies. The focus is more on enhancing what's already there, rather than creating something entirely new. And let's look at the numbers. Market research indicates that the industrial control systems market, which includes SCADA, is projected to reach a whopping $181.6 billion by 2024. With that kind of growth, SCADA is not likely to disappear anytime soon. But what about the roles of IIoT and SCADA? Both rely on sensors that collect data from assets. The main difference is that SCADA is designed to help personnel interface with their machines, whereas IIoT is designed more to allow communication between devices. While IIoT does have applications beyond the factory floor, it doesn't mean it will completely replace SCADA systems. In conclusion, while outdated SCADA software may gradually be replaced due to costs, SCADA itself is likely to remain a long-standing staple in plant management. So for now, it seems SCADA and IIoT will continue to coexist, each playing their unique roles in the industrial landscape. Thank you for joining us in this insightful discussion. We've explored the roles and future of IIoT and SCADA in the industrial landscape and concluded that both systems will continue to coexist, each playing their unique roles. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel. For more resources and insights, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more content on the latest trends and insights in the industrial tech world.